being able to communicate depth is a game changer, because you move not only from being like, wow, she's very impressive, to she's the only person to consider in this particular lane, because nobody has that level of depth, those kinds of receipts, that kind of archive. And what I want you to know and understand is that if you keep switching lanes, you will never build heat in any one lane. To build heat in a lane and to go really, really far, you need to have some depth and you need to have some consistency. You're listening to Madam Speaker Says, your no fluff cheat code to becoming the voice everyone listens to. I'm your host, Magogodi. If you've been waiting for a permission slip to straighten your crown and take up space like you invented the blueprint, Madam Speaker Says got you covered. No whispers, no apologies, just you, me, and some bold-ass moves. Let's get into it. Welcome, welcome. This is Madam Speaker Says. I am your host, Magogodi. These are our mini episodes. These are our let's get it together and do the work, so that when we open up in April for season 3 and we have guests on the show, we are really ready to absorb all of the yummy goodness. And let me tell you, the season is really going to be fantastic, but we're ready, right? We're primed and we're taking in the best of what we can learn from these bad asses. Like, oh my God, like we even know which notes to be taking, because one of the things is like, if you're a really good student, you don't write a transcript verbatim of everything that the teacher's saying. No, what you do is you have some strategy in your head about like, oh, this is going to be on the test. This is a good one. Okay. And these episodes are about helping you hone in on what matters the most, so that number one, they're actionable, right? Right now, for example, by the end of this particular podcast, you're going to understand the difference between being multi-talented, because I know you got talents, I know you got all kinds of things that you're good at, and being multi-scattered, because girl, we're not here for the scatterbrains, okay? And we're also not here for spreading ourselves so thin that we run ourselves ragged. I need you to take notes. I need you to also give me feedback. Are you testing this? Because if you are, I want to know, what are you using in your life? What tools are you using in your life, and how is it improving, not your life? I mean, if it's improving your life, fantastic, but I want to know how it's landing in your work. I want to know how it's landing you in rooms you didn't think before you started listening that you're actually qualified to step into. Like, you own it, because you are. On this particular episode, we're going to talk about identifying this huge thing that's like, are you multi-talented or are you multi-scattered? And if I've just torn apart your edges just by saying that in itself, you are definitely in the right place. Pull up a chair, get your bottle of water. I've got mine right over here, and we're really going to get into it. By the time you leave this conversation, you're not only going to be clear on the places where you maybe shouldn't be showing up as much as the ones that build your authority, but also where to begin cutting, how to begin cutting, and why it's important for you to pay attention to where your energy goes. Okay? All right, let me drink my water and let's get into this. Because here's the truth. Range is power. But not being clear about your position, not being clear about what your actual mission and assignment on earth is, I'm sorry, but that's noise. And when you are multi-talented, you're the kind of person who you can write really well, you can speak really well, you can teach, you can convene, you can strategize. Trust me, I know this disease because I am disease number 1 person, okay? Like, I am such a multi-hyphenate, I'm such a multi-talented, good at all of the things. But just because you're good at it, it doesn't mean that that thing also deserves the mic. And sometimes it's a season. Sometimes this particular season, you shouldn't be handing the mic to that particular skill or that particular talent, okay? And let's also be real. It's tiring. It's tiring as fuck. Like, needing to reintroduce yourself with a new introduction every time you walk into a room, needing to be all of the things to all of these different skills and to constantly prove how great you are at them, it's tiring. Like, who wants that? And it can feel wobbly. But the thing is, like, you're not actually confused. You're just not committed to the right thing. You're not confused that you're good at all of these things. I'm not here to tell you that. I'm just here to say, in this particular season, which one are we committing to? Because boo, I need you to hear me when I say this. For us to get you to that next level of authority and being the obvious choice when people are like, I'm looking for somebody who is really good at XYZ. They can't be like, oh, I'm looking for somebody who's really good at like speaking and writing and holding a meeting and convening and hosting. And oh, by the way, can she also, roller derby as she holds this water bottle? And can she also, like, you're exhausting me already, okay? What people are solving for in a particular moment is one particular thing. So I need you to have that level of crispness inside of yourself. If you were, and this is tool number one, if you were to pick one of the talents, the multi-talents that you have, that feels like your most potent weapon, which one would it be? Okay, write it down. I'm waiting for you. You got it? Okay, good. Because the rest, they're skills and they're amazing, but it's not their season right now. They're going to be skills that uphold this one particular weapon and make it really shine. See where I'm going? Number two, where are you performing versus actually building depth? And this is a really interesting thing because your range and your ability to do all of these things at such a high level, by the way, I want to make sure I call you and give you your flowers for that. Like, you're not the kind of person who's doing all of these things and they're janky and they don't look, no, you're really good. That is very impressive that you're able to do that much across such a huge range. That's really impressive. But depth depth is powerful, right? Being able to communicate depth is a game changer because you move not only from being like, wow, she's really impressive, to she's the only person to consider in this particular lane because nobody has that level of depth, those kinds of receipts, that kind of archive. And what I want you to know and understand is that if you keep switching lanes, you will never build heat in any one lane. To build heat in a lane and to go really, really far, you need to have some depth and you need to have some consistency. So, this brings me to number 3 of our tools today. It's time to cut it out. Okay, it's time to cut it out. I told you that there are seasons, and in this particular seasons, the skills, the talents that are acting as supporting skills for your main weapon, I want you to think about how your life would change if in the next 6 months you actually stopped doing certain things. What could you stop doing for 6 months that would actually help your authority to improve? Your authority would actually increase because you stopped doing those things for 6 months. Can you think about that? Okay, because your authority is built by starving distractions. Authority is built by starving distractions. So the things that you cut out allow you to really hone in and build heat in that one thing that you're going to be known for, that is your weapon. And the skills, the rest of the things that you said you're also good at, they're going to be supporting acts to help our main character shine. Okay? If everything cannot be your one main thing, what are you willing to commit to? Everything cannot be your main thing, okay? Everybody can be your main squeeze. It don't work like that. Even if you're in an open relationship, not everybody that you messing around with is going to be your main squeeze. Your heart is going to be very, very high and on all the ecstasies for one, maybe two, three things. I need you to narrow it even further down to just the one thing for this particular season. Next season could be something else. What are we committing to? That's it. That's all I have to say to you. Okay? That's it. I've said what I gotta say. And I'm gonna say even more next week, Sunday, on Madam Speaker Says. I am Magogodi. My DMs are open. I want to hear from you. If you're a multi-passionate, if you're a multi-hyphenated person and this lands, if this feels like, oof, this is a little too close to home, I want to hear from you. Let me know in DMs what lands and what you are willing to cut. I know it's hard. I know it's hard. I know. But what you need to understand too is the things that you're not willing to cut, not only are they a distraction, but they're keeping you playing small. And Madam Speaker, I need your Madam Speaker energy. You do not play small. You're all of the things. I'll see you here next week. I am Magogodi.
Hey, pull up. Just you and me for a second. Are you an exec, a founder, or an entrepreneur who's sick of shrinking in rooms you're overqualified to lead? It's time to stop playing small and start owning your expertise. But how, Magogodi? Girl, I got you. I offer coaching that helps women of color just like you to claim your place as a thought leader. Whether you want to command a room, craft and share your signature story, or finally get that book out of your head and onto bookshelves, I've got the strategy and spicy accountability that you need. If you're tired of seeing less qualified folks shine while you stay behind the scenes, girl, the wait list is open. Follow the link in show notes to stop waiting for permission and claim your VIP spot now. My mission? Helping women just like you to snatch the spotlight, shake the table, and take your damn seat at the top already. No begging, no detours, and nope, no apologies. Just bold ass moves.